railroad tracks.
Clay pit over here.
Why?
So you can get clay.
There's a butterfly. Must be your mom.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, she knew the way back here.
Gonna go in? Fred already went in.
Fred's in here.
Well, hopefully Donnie will show up.
Come in and somebody else come in and load some up.
Yep. Got a little puddle down there.
Yeah, must have rained around here somewhere. Yeah, I guess there's all sorts of things like making roads and they lined, got some lined part of the aqueduct with. And, you know, Granddad was mining. I don't know if it's this pit, probably was. He'd come out for back in the probably 60s, 50s maybe. Come out for a week or two at a time, and then my mom and dad came out to see him, and he was trying to dig his truck out. The bank caved in on his dump truck, so he's trying to dig it out for a couple days, I guess. So luckily he wasn't in it.
Who has the pit now?
Cousin Don.
Cousin Donnie. He had to fix that road that we were just all for quite a ways back in here.
Yeah, lots of rain on it.
It's a lot of work.
Part of it wasn't too bad. Probably went pretty quick. Other parts took a few days, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Hoping to meet him out here. But don't know if he's coming or if he's already done his part.
Fred's enjoying the pit.
He's on the soft part. He's not going on the boonies. We going this way?
Hey, where are you going?
Yeah, let's go down here. What are you looking at, Fred?
Just a very small area where the minerals can get in through weathering and water, and they seep in and they grow in between those rocks and split them open. That's really pretty. Oh, he was just laying down.
Oh.
He was pooped there for a second. Pardon our dust. We're boonie hopping with Fred again because it's beautiful and Billy has some time off. Oh, it's gorgeous out here.
It's 10:20. It's 42 degrees. Whee. Saguaro Drive.
What's Saguaro Drive?
The four-wheel drive with the...
There it is. It's funny. Uh-oh.
Well, we're out of gas.
You planned it, didn't you?
I've heard that one before.